Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to make chicken chapli kababs, and let's go over with the ingredients first. I have ground chicken here, half chicken breast and half chicken thighs mixed together because chicken breast is dry itself, and I have mixed chicken thighs with it to make it give it a little moisture. Along with that, I have chickpeas, um, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and garam masala, salt according to your need, amchur powder or dried mango powder, black pepper, and amchur powder you can get from any in a superstore or any desi grocery store. Along with that, I'm using quarter cup of breadcrumbs. I have 4-5 cloves of garlic here, half an inch of ginger. I have cut it in. I'm going to blend it, and green chili, 1 egg, and small onion. Along with that, fresh green coriander. I'm going to cut all of those. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, I'm going to grind all my dried ingredients, and over here I am going to blend my egg, garlic, and ginger all together. And now it's time to chop finely my fresh ingredients like onion, green chili, and coriander. All the ingredients are ready. Now it's time to mix them. It's putting all of them all together and mix well so that it's blended in with the ground chicken. And also I'm going to put quarter cup of cooking oil in there. It helps to ground chicken not to stick with the hands. For cooking, I prefer to bake my kebabs. For that reason, I have prepared my oven at 450 Fahrenheit already, and I am going to bake my kebabs for 15 minutes from one side, and then I will flip them over. In the meantime, I will fry one. Let's see how it looks like. Once it's golden on one side, you can turn it over, and after cook it same amount of time from both sides, and once it's golden on the both sides, take it off. And it's time to flip over my kebabs now. And after flipping, I'm going to bake it for 15 more minutes. And now it's ready. See how beautifully golden they are looking like. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon at the same time so that you can get my videos as soon as they are uploaded.